Okay, Saturday morning around 8 we're gonna go flying, but we need to wait for the fog to clear up. So I'm gonna pre-flight, get going, see you later.
A couple of the guys here at Stellies that I know said, okay cool, let's go flying. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna check what the fog does, because it's pretty fogged up outside. So it's 3 slow planes and 2 fast ones. So anyway, we'll see. Yo, it is so close in. I'm here.
Yeah, it looks like it's all fogged in that side, eh?
Yeah, it's like the whole Cape is fogged in at the moment.
Yeah, and probably coffee back at the club.
Yeah, but at least we got to scratch the itch.
What about Worcester? Super limited for time, dude. This is about 15 minutes late. It's longer than that. It's over half an hour there, 40 minutes there. Oh, okay. You fly direct, it's 26 miles from here.
Okay, so obviously you heard the plan change. We're going to Worcester. The Cape is like just under a blanket at the moment. So I'll probably see you in Worcester. We're able to get over to this side of the mountain pretty easily. I've never flown in these mountains, they're pretty scary. There's a bit of a wind, and I hate this shit. Oh. Okay, I really don't like turbulence. Really don't like this stuff. And I think what makes it worse is I've never been through here. So like I crap myself all the time. Okay, so this is pretty sketchy. Like I hit my head on the roof and lost my headset now.
Worcester is open.
Worcester is indeed open.
I think we're through. I think that's the worst of it. I can see the ground, we're not high. That was so... Oh, that was not nice. I really didn't like that at all. Anyway, we're through. And we're on the way to Worcester for a cup of coffee. Okay, so we tried to grab a quick coffee. It was not really successful. We're going to try and get home the other way. Check on my Yankee lining up behind Alpha Alpha area. Yeah, there we go.
Gyro complete, you can go ahead if you want to. Okay, remain line left runway 33 full length.
Okay, so anyway, what I was trying to say is that we wanted to have a breakfast there quickly. They were pretty slow, coffee, I don't know. Yeah, so
rolling runway 33.
I ended up paying for a coffee and not having the coffee, which is it's okay. So we're gonna go back to Stellies. It's still kind of covered over the other side, but we're gonna go a different way now. So I must say, it's a bit smoother coming this way. It's actually beautiful through here. It's super smooth. Yo, that was epic. So, I mean, it's good here, it's just this weather. So see if we can get into cities, but we should probably. Anyway, it's been a full of adrenaline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skirt the valley here. We can sort of see down that way. Yeah, I can see down. Come on, Yankees on the coffin for very tight circuit 01, full stop. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some fuel in now, so that I don't have to do it when I come flying again, and then it's done. Yeah, so it was a really interesting flight today. If you enjoyed the video, and obviously we're still trying to, I still need to take Dirk down to Delta 69, showing where we play. Anyway, thanks for watching.